What up, everybody? This is a Reviews with Daniel production. Enjoy the
What's up,
video.
everybody? This is Daniel from Reviews with Daniel. Today I will be doing an unboxing on my MacBook Pro 2011. Now I received this package Friday, August 27th with my RAM sticks. So my RAM sticks came through Amazon and my MacBook Pro came through UPS. And the shipping was fairly quick with my MacBook Pro. My MacBook Pro came from Brooklyn, New York, so well, Brooklyn is about 7 hours away from me because I live in upstate New York, Niagara Falls. So my package got to me fairly quickly. I was looking at the status and the location of where my package was traveling, and it traveled from Brooklyn, New York to Easton, PA, to East Syracuse, New York, and then after East Syracuse, New York, it was delivered the next day to me here in Niagara Falls, and I'm very impressed about how Amazon ship out their products. I received my package like very quickly, even though it went through different locations just to get to me. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. This is the box that my MacBook Pro came into. Again, my wife opened the package. I was at work, so I wasn't able to tell her not to open it because she opened it anyway. So this is like a first time unboxing for me too as well. So this is the box that came in. It's a standard UPS box. So let's get into it. Now I like the way UPS I like how UPS boxed this, or how the shipper boxed this. It's very compact and durable. All right, let's pull this all out. I'll put this over here. Oh yeah, you guys also let me know how you like my background. I got the Hulk. I got Marvel. I'm a big Marvel fan. I like my favorite character in Marvel is Magneto. So, and I got all the boxes from my build on my PC that I have downstairs in the living room. So these are all the stuff that I've used to build my PC. I got the Boya microphone, which I have that, but I don't have attached to my case right now. My webcam, I have that downstairs. Those are brand new speakers. There's another microphone. This Corsair is still in the box. I haven't used it yet on my PC, but I'm going to use it here pretty soon. I have a Ryzen 7 in my a Ryzen 7 2900 in my PC, and that's my old Ryzen 5 box. I have a MSI 570 motherboard. I have like 3 motherboards up here. I got a battery pack. I got like another case. As you can see, I got a popcorn machine. Got a lot of stuff. This is my other camera right here that I have. I used this on some of my previous videos that I made, but I'll probably use it again. But I'm gonna set this aside and let me get into this unboxing right here. I'm gonna take me a drink of water right quick. I'm thirsty. I just got off from work. All right. So let's get into this unboxing. great. Like how this is packaged. All right, so you got the standard. You have your standard power brick, which this is my first time having a MacBook Pro. So this is the power brick, which is huge. Like this is a huge power brick, and it has the magnetic end on it for the PC for the battery. I'll probably buy another one of those, just smaller. And then this is the Mac itself. I'm gonna set this right here. I'm gonna set the rest. I'm gonna set this box on the floor. All right. So this is my 2011 MacBook Pro. Now, this MacBook Pro, 2011 MacBook Pro, it comes with a battery outlet. It comes with the Ethernet port. This is a display port. This is another port I'm not sure about. And here go 2 USB ports, a SD slot for the small SD cards. That's a slot for that. Here is a slot for your headphone jack. And this is the slot for the battery percentage. Now on this side right here, you have your this is a CD drive, so you can play games in here, listen to music, listen to CDs, burn CDs, the typical CD drive. And then you have the Apple logo right here. So far I'm liking it. Out of all the reviews on YouTube that I have watched, the 2011 and 2012 MacBook Pros are very, very light. So I'm proud to have one of these. And another thing too, I haven't started this up yet, so I heard that this logo, the Apple logo, lights up. So if that is true, we are all going to be seeing that here pretty soon. So I'm going to end this video. The first time you're watching my video, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell down below for more updates on more of my videos. And here's 2 more videos here and here.